Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'm your host, your host, and as usual in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. Today we would be discussing few questions from mathematical ability section of Infosys online assessment drive. They actually ask 10 question in this particular section for which I think 25 minutes are allowed. Out of these 10 questions, 5 are basically from verbal reasoning and 5 are from basic mathematics, be it time and work, permutation combination, probability, simple averages, or sometimes they may ask about statistics also. And as far as verbal reasoning is concerned, it is more of coding, decoding, mathematical symbols, signs, direction sense, family tree, blood relation, these kind of questions. So I have accumulated few questions which were asked during May 2022 drive, and on this hope that you will find similar kind of question when you are writing drive in the end of this month, that is on 29th July 2022. So do practice, you know the drill, pause the session, check the solution, do it yourself, and then check the solution. Okay, so on this note, let's start now. So let's begin now, and we are beginning with the verbal reasoning, coding, decoding base analogy. Select the pair, and you know the drill. Pause the session, try to solve it yourself first. Select the pair that is related on the same basis as the pair LRG is with QML. Okay, I always try to follow with the numbers. L is 12th, R is 18th, and G is 7th. Q is 17th, M is 13, and L is 12. Okay, we can see the relation. It is plus 5. Then 18 become 13, it is minus 5. And then 7 become 12, it is plus 5. So you are looking out for the pair where we can find this relation plus 5, minus 5, and plus 5. TFN, T20, F6, and N14. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 is Y. 6 minus 5 will give 1, that is A. And 14 plus 5 will give 19, and 19 is S. TFN should be analogy with YAS, and yes, it is there. So no need to check further because we have got this in option A itself. Okay, one more on letters analogy. DV is to M. D is 4, V is 22, and M is 13. Bingo. We can see that 4 plus 22 is 26. Divided by 2 is 13. So AS, A is 1, S is 19, plus is 20, divided by 2 should be 10. And the 10th letter in the English alphabet is J. So with AS, J should fit in. Option B fits in here. I'm just trying to showcase all different kind of questions which were asked on different screens in May 2022, so that you may be aware about how to go in for these kind of questions. Okay, the next one, in a certain code language, officer is 14, sergeant is 16, then what will be the value of major? In the very first instant, we always try to give these alphabets its numerical position, and then we try to add or subtract to get this number. But as I can see, with respect to the letters given in this word, 14 is very small number. So the next choice is, let's count the number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Officer is a 7 letter word, and this is 14, which gives us a sense of 7 into 2. Let's check with sergeant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and obviously it is 8 into 2, 16. Then major is a 5-letter word. Its code should be 5 into 2, that is 10, given in option D. Okay, one more on the screen, and here we have again the same question as we have done in the previous one. In the certain code language, Goa is written as 23. Let's check with our first instinct. G is 7, O is 15, and A is 1. If we add up, it gives us 23. That means for come, we just need to put their respective numerical position in English alphabet. C3, O 15, M is 13, and E is 5. So this is 18 plus 18, that is 36. Option C should fit in. One more sample question from coding. In a code language, academic is coded as ACADEMIC, 8 letters, CFEIKTQL. A1 C3, C3 F6, A1 5, 4, I is 9, 5 K is 11, M is 13, so T20, I 9, Q is 17, C3, L is 12. As we can see, it is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, and plus 9. So TREASURE. Now, when I was writing this, I can see the options also. I can see in the option VUIFY. VUIFY is all common to all the four options. So we need to only cater to the last three and check. Okay, so U is 21, plus 7 is 28, divided by 26. That means in the second cycle of the English alphabet, we'll get 2. And 2, the second one is B. R is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, we should get a Z. Now E is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, and the 14th alphabet is N. So it is BZN, and BZN we are getting in option D. Option D is the pick. Again, one more of the same type we have done before. Academy is coded as 42. You must be doing the drill. Pause the session, try to solve it yourself. Recognizes 72. Then how the word mountain should be coded. If we add up, we're getting M 13, Y is 25, 38 itself here, 4 gone. That means on adding it will be more than 42. So let us try with the number of alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is written as 42. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is written as 72. So it is 7 into 1 less than 7. 9 into 1 less than 9. Mountain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 1 less than 8 is 7. 8 into 7 would be 56. That means mountain, code for mountain should be 56. Option B. Okay, one more of foreign language type coding. In a code language, Pradeep is innocent is coded at this. Innocent are smart is this. Pradeep is stupid is this. Then we need to find the code for stupid are smart. Stupid are smart. We need the code for stupid. If I balance these two out, Pradeep is. Sam, lamb, dam. Sam common. Lamb common. That means stupid stands for cam. CAM. Innocent is dam. Innocent are smart. If I cancel out dam because it stands for innocent, I'm getting code for R smart. R smart is came, and come. So CQK, CQK, that mix we have only in option D. Okay, one more of word and number coding. DHDI 484, I is 9. This becomes 5938. That means plus 1, here is minus 1, minus 1. So HEIF, H number position is 8, E is 5, I is 9, and F is 6. So plus 1 will become 9, plus 1 will become 6, minus 1 is 8, minus 1 is 5. So ninth is I, F, 8 is H, and 5 is E. I, F, H, E, or let it be, we just need the code 9685. 9685, option C is the pick. A person can travel from Chicago to London using 4 different routes. He can travel from London to Paris using 5 different routes, and from Paris to Amsterdam using 3 different routes. In how many ways can he travel from Chicago to Amsterdam? So, since nothing is mentioned, we need to follow this path only. From Chicago, he need to go to London in 4 ways, from London to Paris in 5 ways, and then from Paris to Amsterdam in 3 ways, and the total number of ways available with him is 4 into 5 into 3, that is 60 ways. Why we are using multiplication? Because here we are using and as the conjunction. From C to L, then, which is synonym of and as far as permutation is concerned. From L to P, then from P to A. So we are using multiplication sign. So total number of ways with which he can travel from Chicago to Amsterdam is 60. Option C is the pick. Okay, a classical question from TSD. Speed is equals to distance by time. A train passes a man standing on a platform in 10 seconds. To do this, speed of the train equals length of the train divided by time taken, and crosses a platform in 25 seconds. To do this, speed of the train is equals to length of the train plus length of the platform divided by time taken, that is 25. Find the length of the platform, that means we are looking out for value of P if it is traveling at a speed of 288 kph. Since this time is given in second, let me convert this 288 km per hour into meter per second. 288 into 5 by 18. 18 ones, 108 is 6. 16 into 5 is 80. Speed is 80 meter per second. So length of the train is 80 into 10, that is 800 meters. Here I am using 80 again. 80 into 25 is 100 by 4, that is 2000, equals L plus P. So length of the platform is 2000 minus 800, that is 1200 meters. Remember the conversion, remember the formula, and these things. Option A fits in. We have seen few questions from statistics also in this mathematical ability round. So I have taken up few questions from statistics. And for any asymmetrical distribution, the relationship between mean, median, mode is given by an empirical formula which says mean minus mode equals thrice mean minus median. Find the median. If the mode is 15, and mean is 48. So 48 minus 15 is 33, by 3 will be 11. 11 equals 48 minus median. Therefore, median is 48 minus 11, that is 37. We have that in option B. We just need to remember this empirical formula. Mean minus median equals thrice into mean minus median. This is for any asymmetrical distribution, because in case of symmetrical distribution, mean, median, mode, all three values are same. A question from mensuration. Find the total surface area of hemisphere ball of diameter 56 centimeter. You know the drill. Pause, solve, and then the solution. Hemisphere ball, total surface area is, this outer surface is 2 pi r square and this top is pi r square. So total surface area in case of hemisphere ball is 3 pi r square. R is 56 by 2, that is 28 centimeter. So total surface area should be 3 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 centimeter square, or square centimeter. It goes 4 times. So we have 66 into 56, 112. Yes, 32, 38. 612, 176, 672. So this will give 7392. 7392 is square centimeter that we have in option A. Remember, we don't have any on-screen calculator, so we need to do calculation by ourselves only. Okay, circular sitting arrangements, quite popular with any online assessment examination. 6 friends sit at a circular table facing the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since they are facing the center, their right will be my right and their left will be my left. So I will be working accordingly. M sits opposite P. So if here is P, here is M. O sits second to the right of R. O sits second to the right of R. R, one left, O. This should be the position. If R is here, O is here, R is here, then O should be here, which is not possible. That means R is here and second right is first right, second right. O is at this position. O sits second to the right of R, who is to the immediate right of N. R is immediate right of N. N should be at this position. So we are left with only who? M. And it is given that Q is not a neighbor of M. Obviously, Q is not a neighbor of M. Q would be here. M, N, O, P, Q, R. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Bingo. This is the setup. O will be adjacent to which two person? O will be adjacent to Q and M. Q to its right and M to its left. M and Q, option B fits in. Okay, one more from the circular table arrangement. 6 persons are sitting around a circular table facing the center again. And we know the rule for facing the center. It should be just, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. Vipul is to the left of Shubhash. Vipul is to the left of Shubhash. Amish is between Rijwan and Somesh. Amish is between Rijwan and Somesh, or Somesh, Amish, Rijwan. Nitish is second place to the left of Amish. Amish. Let us have Amish. Nitish second to the left, first second. Here we have Nitish. Now here we have Rizwan or Shomesh or Rizwan. Now Vipul is to the left of Subhash. So these two are the only position left. So if Subhash is here, this is right. That means Subhash is at this position. And sitting on the opposite side, my right is Subhash left. Vipul is to the left of Subhash. So this is the arrangement. Who is second place to the right of Vipul? Vipul, right 1, 2. Second place is Nitish. This is right of Vipul, this is left of Vipul, because Vipul is facing towards the center. So second to the right of Vipul is Nitish, that is in option B. Okay, we are moving to the missing term, alphabetical or numerical missing series. Find the missing term in the following series. X, Y, Z, then we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. It should be J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, then R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Fit. Gap of 1, gap of 2, gap of 3, gap of 4, gap of 5. The next term in this series, the missing term in this series should be PQ. Option A is the pick. Okay, a number series 71, 79, 143, missing number, and then 871. The basic idea of solving these kind, we can see that it's increasing, but let us find the difference and see. 79 minus 71 is 8. 143 minus 79 is 64. Okay, bingo. 8 is 2Q. 64 is 4Q. Let me try out here 6Q. 6 cube is 216. 216 plus 143 is 359. And then next should be 8 cube. That is 512. So 59 plus 12 is 71. 3 plus 5 is 8. Bingo. Fits in. 8. 71 is the last term. After adding 512 to 359. 359 is the missing term. Option B is the pick. Classification, find the wrong one in the following series. 8, 12, 18, 36, 38, 76, 78. Okay, here 2, 2, 2, if we give them the sense of 2, it should be 16. So if I made 8, 16, 18, 36, 38, 76, 78, any other pattern, into 2, into 2, into 2, and if there is the next number, that should be 78 into 2. Very good. That means in place of 12, if we take 16, then the series makes some sense. 12 should be the wrong one in this series. Okay, one more, but this time it is alphanumerical. 2B1, then we have 3F2, 4L3, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is fine, the middle one. B is the second alphabet, F is 6th, L is 12th. Here we can see 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. That means 12 plus 8, 20th we should get. It should be following 4 plus 6 plus 8, 20th, and T20. T20, 20th alphabet in English language is T. So the next one, which is the missing one, is 5T4. Option D. Okay, one more letter cluster. A, B, C, D. The next one we are searching for should be E. Okay, here everywhere we have got E. Then R, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It should be Z. Then we have D, then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, E, Z, P, E, Z, P. Let's check for the last one. M, N, O, P, then Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C. It should be E, Z, P, C. Option A is the pick. So let's pick up the last one of this session, and I'll come up with the part 2 of this session very soon. Don't worry about that. But keep practicing these kind of questions, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Let us reach to 23K before I bring in the second part of this. Okay, keep sharing, and thank you everyone for participating. But before going, please do this. Okay, a peculiar example from the ranking. Sandeep is 8th from the top rank 8th, and there are total of 40 students studying in the class. Find the rank from the bottom. We know the drill. The total number of students in the class equals rank of Sandeep from the top plus rank of Sandeep from the bottom minus 1. This is a simple equation that we use in ranking type of question. So 40 equals 8 plus B minus 1. Therefore, B is 40 minus 7, that is 33. His rank from the bottom is 33rd, that is option B.